And 750. Let's slap the first pack. Please be a good player, please. If it is, I'll flip. Oh, Benzema! Lacazette. Right, 2 minutes and I'll be back. Right, we're back. Opening. Wait, what did it do? Wait, what did I do? Oops, I pressed X. Stupid me. Right. Here we go. Let's see who we get. Come on. Rooney? Nope. Walcott. Nobody. Another one. Here we go. Come on. We'll skip this one. Nobody. We'll be back in 2 minutes. Back with another one. Come on. Come on. Right, the luck is here. Oh, Falcao. A duplicate. Falcao. 2 minutes. Here we go. Other pack. Come on, other pack. Come on. David Luiz. Oh. Why does it say David Luiz? It could be Thiago. Right, bye. 2 minutes. If anybody wants them, there's a Falcao. 7 contract, 99 in fitness. Falcao. You can buy it for 7,500. Usually 7.5k. Or you can bid on them for 1,200 now. Well, peace out. Bye.